Dangerous diets. Diet fads have come and gone for years. Ad space and subversive promotion in TV series and films have given fad diets a monopoly on our screens. In our drug and grocery stores, weight loss brands occupy retail space, and a significant portion of self-help and lifestyle publications found in bookstores are categorized as diet and fitness books. Despite all of the resources at our disposal, 160 million adults and children in the United States suffer from obesity or overweight. Diet is the first step in maintaining a healthy weight, but it's crucial to consult your doctor and select a long-term, sustainable diet that works for you. The perils of Atkins, paleo, and keto diets. In just 6 months, my sister shed 60 pounds. In 10 days, I shed 10 pounds. It's dropping off like never before. These are just a few of the things you might hear from folks who make the decision to give up carbohydrates. Although the 3 most well-liked low-carb diets in the US might help you lose weight, are they the best option for you? In general, Americans consume too much sugar, too little fiber, and too many refined carbohydrates relative to complex carbohydrates. Diets low in carbohydrates significantly reduce caloric intake and replace it with good fats and proteins, which can lead to noticeable and occasionally quick weight loss. The Atkins, paleo, and keto diets are all low carb, but they're all very different. With the keto diet, one can enjoy any and all fatty foods while severely limiting their intake of carbohydrates. It is a low carb, high fat diet. The risk of the keto diet is that its intended outcome, a state of ketosis, is achieved when daily carbohydrate intake is limited to less than 50 grams. Your body reacts to going into ketosis by causing what is now referred to as the keto flu, which consists of all the symptoms of a typical influenza, including body aches, fever, flushing, exhaustion, vomiting, and diarrhea. Long-term maintenance of ketosis impairs physical performance, and keto diet plans can lead to ketoacidosis, a potentially fatal condition that permanently damages vital organs in people with undiagnosed illnesses like diabetes or prediabetes. The paleo diet returns us to the prehistoric era of cavemen. Because processed foods are prohibited, there are limits on carbohydrates. Paleo emphasizes high protein, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables in place of the typical staples, just like the hunters and gatherers. This kind of diet presents a challenge because the Paleolithic hunters and gatherers led physically taxing lives from dawn to dusk. It is unnecessary for Americans who lead sedentary lives and work out in the gym sporadically to consume a diet heavy in fats and proteins, particularly red meat and saturated fats. The Atkins diet is marketed as a low-carb diet specifically. Initially, individuals follow a diet that contains no more than 20 to 25 grams of net carbohydrates daily. After that, this dosage is gradually increased to 80 to 100 grams daily. According to the Mayo Clinic, a healthy, balanced diet should contain 225 to 325 grams of carbohydrates per day. Since both Atkins phases are low in carbohydrates, your diet will not contain enough sugar or fiber from these sources. Seems too good to be true. As they say, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Maintaining a 2,000-calorie diet combined with regular exercise, healthy activity, and medical supervision for conditions that exacerbate unhealthy eating patterns and weight gain results in the best, most sustainable weight loss. A fad diet may help you lose weight, but if the underlying cause of your weight gain is not addressed, the weight will probably come back. See your doctor right away to discuss healthy weight loss options if you struggle with an eating disorder, bad eating habits, or significant and potentially fatal weight gain.